Xiaomi Mix Fold 3 might be coming in August 2023, a potential Galaxy Z Fold 5 killer. So hey everyone, I am Ayush, and if you are new here, don't be shy, do subscribe now. For all intents and purposes, 2023 is definitely shaping up to be the year when foldable phones really kick it into top gear. There are just so many foldables expected to arrive before 2024 comes along, and the latest to join the fray is the Xiaomi Mix Fold 3. Digital chat station, a Weibo leakster, has revealed that a major Chinese phone manufacturer may unveil their new foldable device in August, around the same time as its predecessor. It's worth noting that this announcement will likely coincide with the launch of Samsung's Galaxy Z Fold 5 and Galaxy Z Flip 5, indicating that Xiaomi is targeting Samsung's position in the market. It's possible that Xiaomi's new foldable phone may only be released in China, but there is a chance that it could be launched in other global markets as well. In the past, Xiaomi's Mix Fold 2 was only available in mainland China, but there is optimism that this new device may be an exception to that trend. Although details on the Xiaomi Mix Fold 3 are scarce, it's rumored to be equipped with the latest and top-performing chip for Android devices, the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 2. This chip not only delivers exceptional raw performance but also impressive efficiency. Additionally, the phone is expected to feature fast UFS 4.0 storage and LPDDR5X RAM, although the specific capacity remains unknown. Rumors suggest that the device will sport a smooth 120Hz refresh rate on both the inner and outer displays. Other essential details like camera layout, hinge design, and overall exterior design are yet to be revealed, and we are certain that details will emerge as August comes closer. With competition from Samsung, Honor, Oppo, and OnePlus all stepping up in the foldable phone market, it will be fascinating to see what Xiaomi brings to the table. It's hoped that Xiaomi, as a major player in the industry, can find ways to expand its reach beyond China and introduce its compelling devices to a wider audience. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? Do let us know in the comments section. Hope you liked and subscribed to this channel. I will see you in next one.